Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I will be showing you how to use Ticktick in the easiest way possible. I'm gonna take you step by step through the whole process. First of all, let's discuss what Ticktick really is. Ticktick is an online platform that allows you to manage your projects and optimize your productivity. And it helps you to stay organized and creative and manage all your tasks and works in one place. So now that we have understood what Ticktick is, let's get right into it. So this is your Ticktick interface. So now let's discuss what's in it. Here is your inbox. Here you can receive any message or any notification. Here, today, it shows you the tasks that you have to complete by this day. And here, it shows you the tasks that you need to finish in the whole week. Moving to the next section, which is settings. We can access it by pressing on this, then choose settings. Here you will find a variety of options. First here, account. It contains all the options related to your own profile. Next, features. It shows you 3 options that control how you will organize your priorities and tasks. The first one, here, it shows you the urgent and important tasks first. While habit shows you tasks in a routine that you have created your own way. Next is this option, which gives you or starts a timer so that you know that there is a specific deadline for a specific task. This way you keep yourself focused and organized and able to finish within the time limit. Next is the smart list. It contains all these titles. You can hide or show any one of them, and all of these will appear here whenever you press on show. And if, for example, today I chose to hide it, here it vanished. Show, it appeared. There is also another option which is show if not empty. So if the folder is empty, it will not be allowed to be presented in front of you. Next is the notifications. You can control how often you receive notifications. Here, date and time, you can control how the time is displayed, whether you want it to be displayed in AM and PM display, or you want just the number to be appeared in 2 digits. For example, 12 to 24 will also appear as a time. Here, you can control what is the start of your week. It gives you only 3 options: Sunday, Monday, and Saturday. So it's your own preference. And here, you can choose the time zone you want. So by enabling this one, it will choose the time zone of my location, which is GMT plus 2 hours. Next is the appearance. Here you can control how the interface is displayed in front of you. For example, if I chose dark, it will appear like this. However, the other options are only for premium versions. And here are some other more options. Perfect. Now moving on to our main program, which is lists section. All what we need to do is to press on the plus sign so we can add a new list. For example, let's say our list name is morning report. You can choose whichever color you want. Let's choose the blue. And you can control the view you want. I will discuss this further in this video. Here you can choose if you want to place it in a specific folder. And here you can choose if it's a task list or just notes. And press add. Here you can add a task to your list. Let's say create and upload report. Here it's added. You can add a description to your task. Let's say, create morning report for all the operations. And here you can add a comment. Comments are very useful whenever you work with someone else, so it helps you to avoid any miscommunication with the other partner. So let's write a comment and say, check whenever completed. And here is our comment. You can also change view from here. This view is very effective whenever you have multiple tasks. So you can add sections here, and let's say this section will be named not started. We can name this one in progress, and we name this one completed. So whenever you finish a task, you can just move it from one stage to another. Now let's return to our original view once more. And I will just delete these two. And here we are. You can also add a subtask by clicking on right click and choosing subtask. Let's say print A3 and print A4. So whenever you finish one of the tasks, all what you need to do is to just press on the check, and it will be transmitted to the completed section. You can also check on the main task, not the subtasks, and it will also be transmitted. So let's uncheck. Perfect. You can also control the priority from here. You can also pin the task so that it will be it will appear in front of you, so you won't forget to do it. You can also add tags which are very beneficial whenever you want to remember a specific information. For example, let's say make the report. It doesn't want any spaces, so we can say XL SX format, so that you know that you will make this report in Excel sheet, and press OK. Here it's added on the right, so you will never forget this information. So basically this was the major features of Ticktick, and this is how easy it is to use and how helpful it is, because as you can see, any type of tasks and any number of tasks you have, you can organize it in any way you want in Ticktick. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and see you next time. Thanks for watching.